Man, the stuff that, look at that mess. Yeah, that's, the one thing that's lurking in the darkness of your yard drainage systems that you can't do nothing about is when see, if this wasn't in pea stone where it was left to sit wet all the time, this would not have happened. If this wasn't, look at this pea stone with no burrito wrap, so it's loaded up with soil, this thing just stayed wet. So when you can't dry your system out, you would not believe the different things that can grow inside a yard drain system. Unbelievable, man. Unbelievable. All the stuff we see, but you know what? We got guys on YouTube saying, oh, let's just use a trencher and let's just put pea stone in and let's just do everything cheap and cut corners. And then you end up with this, a garbage system that won't flow water. I mean, just look at the, I've seen dozens and dozens of different things that fill these pipes that grow in the dark because there's no air moving through these systems. They're packed in pea stone or styrofoam peanuts and they don't work. Once this bacterias meet in the dark, when you got water and certain bacterias, you get all types of things. The list is long. This is just one of many examples, and I'm gonna start showing these things again because we got away from it and our newer subscribers. So this is a pea stone French drain. Look at this pea stone. Look at how soaking wet it is. It's full of dirt. It flows no air. That's why we put double barrel systems in all the time. You always see us put at least 2 high octanes. Why? Because we want to move air. We want to move so much air, and then we use the big 1.5-inch round rock. We just want to move a lot of air. That way you take the water away. Because this only happens when there's the bacterias, water, and air. If you dry up your system and you remove the water from the equation, this stuff can't grow. All right, everybody. Until that next video.